Are you ready for a life-changing opportunity in the USA? International Recruitment USA LLC is offering a fully sponsored pathway to America for semi- and unskilled workers. This is your golden ticket to live, work, and play in the USA, leading to permanent residency. For just $30, you could be on your way to a new life with a good wage, accommodations, and the promise of a green card through employment. Our partners across various industries urgently need dedicated workers like you. From agriculture to manufacturing, we have positions waiting to be filled. No need to worry about the paperwork. We handle visas, sponsorship documentation, and even flights. And don't stress the fees. Any costs are deducted gradually from your wages once you're here. So, what's stopping you? Apply now. Join us on this journey to a better life in America. Take the first step today. Visit Global Checks to complete your background check, and let's get moving. We're here to walk this journey with you, every step of the way.